Hi, welcome back to another video. So we are going to be painting my brake calipers. So we've already taken off my rear wheels, we've painted them, and I'm going to be showing you how to do your front ones. So we've already taken this one off, which you can see here, and we're going to be, well, I'm with my dad, and I'm going to be showing you how to do your front one, which is basically the same for all your other brake calipers. So if you follow me over here, I'm going to show you what we've already painted. So I'm going to be painting them red to suit my car. So you want to sand them back and then use this stuff, paint them, and then use this stuff to clear them. So that's what I'm going to be showing you today in this video, so let's start. Here's a bit of an update for you. So we've got a dog that's sleeping on top of a crate, but that's irrelevant. But so these ones are done, 1, 2, 3, 4, even though they're 2. So that's the final product, actual final product. It gave them one last clear. And these are the ones at the front, front ones. These have had 2 coats, that's had 1, I'm still waiting to paint. Another caliper, looking pretty good. So we painted the brake calipers, and we're going to install the brake pads and all the metal stuff and bolts and rubber stuff that needs to go back on it. it does look good. So here's the final product. It looks quite good, but I will show you the final product when we got the rear ones on. But rear ones on. Yeah. Once I've got them on, I'll show you the final product. But that's what it looks like. So you should paint your brake calipers because you get more horsepower.
Particularly if you go red.
Particularly if you go red, because that's 25. If you do just like blue, green, pink, yellow, that's just like 5. So you want to go red for 25 horsepower. So yeah. It is the very next day and it is nice, bright and sunny. So here is the final product. They look really good for, I think it's might be 12 bucks a can. We got 2 cans, which is the red and then the clear. So I would definitely recommend doing or painting your brake calipers red or a different color. So here's the final product from a bit of a distance. Here's the other one. So if you did enjoy the video, make sure to show your mates if they have a car that want to paint their brake calipers. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and if you subscribe, your name will be in the end of the next video. So subscribe. See ya.